What's up guys, Carl's Garage is back with another video. So in this video, I'm gonna be trying to get out all these scratches on my truck right here with this Turtle Wax Scratch Repair and Renew Cream, I guess. I think this was like 10 bucks from Walmart. I'll put the link or whatever here to pop up, but it should be pretty easy. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. So if you're gonna do this at home, all the tools you're gonna need is the Turtle Wax Scratch Repair and Renew Cream, a clean microfiber towel cloth, and something to clean the spot that you're working on. All right, those are all the tools you're gonna need. Now let's get started. All right, so I got this pretty gnarly scratch right here. You see it's kind of like deeper cuts right here and a deep scratch, and then there's also some lighter scratches. So I'm gonna test out this part first. I have a wide variety of scratches all along the truck here, but we're gonna start here, see what it does, and hopefully it works. All right, so first step is, of course, you gotta clean the spot that you're actually gonna be working on. Once you get it cleaned, the only directions that it says is to get a clean microfiber towel cloth and put a little bit of the cream and just start rubbing the area for 30 seconds. So that's what we're gonna do and see what happens.
"12 seconds later."
Alright, so it's been 30 seconds. I'm gonna wipe it now after we're done. Try to clean this up. And I mean, okay, it kind of worked. I could see it, like, did a little bit to this. Didn't really do anything over here. I do probably need to scrape it longer. This was a bigger area for only 30 seconds. But I'm gonna hit this spot right here with the lighter scratches first and see what it does. All right, so I just did it for a minute. I'm gonna wipe it off on this spot that I did. And okay, it's starting to come out right here. Okay, I kind of see that, and up here. So you can see the before and here's the after. I think it actually did kind of work. You need to scrub it way more than what it says on the instructions, but I think this does work with the light scratches. Of course, these are way too deep over here that I'm gonna have to, you know, repaint and fill probably, but it's working with the light scratches. So I'm gonna try to finish this area up here and then we'll move on to another similar spot. All right, so I think I'm pretty much done with this spot. Got it all right for now. I mean, this is a beat up truck anyway. All right, so here we have some scratches that show now. Once you get them a little wet, they disappear, but they always come back. So these scratches are actually not deep enough. They didn't penetrate the clear coat. So we're gonna try this scratch repair kit on it and see what it does. I missed the first part of the video, but here's me scratching it out. I promise on my mama that it's the same spot. But I rubbed it for about 30, a little over 30 seconds. And if we wipe it down, oh, they're still there. A little better. Alright, so I've been scrubbing for probably 3 minutes now, and this is how it looks after all of that's done. I mean, in retrospect, I guess you can't really see it, but it doesn't get it fully out. So, okay. Now I'm going to try other spots like this. I'm just going to show you all before and after, just see what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is the after effect of this part right here. It does clean up all those little scratches and doesn't really do much for the deeper ones, as you can see. It does look a little better. I mean, got all the little scratches here, but honestly doesn't get a lot of the scratches that I thought it would, and you have to scrub way longer for the time that's listed on the directions. This probably was about a good 4, maybe 5 minutes of just brushing, like repeating, putting more. So it does require a lot of work, but it gets out a lot of the little scratches. You have little scratches, scrub a lot on it, and it should come out. I got one more spot I want to try on this one. It's not really a deep scratch, but more of like, I don't know, it doesn't feel like a scratch. You can't really feel into it. So I'm going to try it on here, see what happens. Oh, okay. So that did actually come out. I left this spot right here because I want to spray it with some Windex and just see to make sure that it didn't come off just because I was rubbing it a lot. Okay, so as you can see, it was the actual compound for what got that out, because that's still there. And if I use the rag with the compound on it, sorry, not the compound, the scratch, repair and renew. But you see, as I'm scrubbing, and it's already out. So again, it works with the really small scratches, gets it actually really nice and shiny down there, but doesn't work for the deeper scratches. So with that being said, I give that turtle wax scratch repair and renew a maybe 6 out of 10, because it requires a lot of work, but it does get the small scratches out. But honestly, I feel like it should be able to get a lot of those bigger scratches out with the amount of work that it takes. But with that being said, that's the end of the Carl's Garage video. Stay safe. I'll see you on the next one.